Are you experiencing a water leak from your mini split system? This can be a frustrating issue for homeowners, but fortunately, it's a common problem with a straightforward solution. Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you maintain your home. In today's video, we'll be discussing mini split systems and why they may leak water. We'll also cover 5 possible reasons for the leak. The first reason your mini split system may be leaking water is an overflowing drain pan. If the drain pan is full, it can cause water to back up and overflow. To fix this issue, you'll need to empty the pan and clean the drain line. The second reason for a mini split leak is a damaged or improperly installed drain line. Check for any cracks or breaks in the line and ensure it's properly sloped to allow for proper drainage. Another reason for a mini split leak is low refrigerant levels, causing ice to build up and then melt, resulting in a water leak. This is a more serious issue that requires professional attention from an HVAC technician. A clogged air filter can also cause water leaks from your mini split system. If the air filter is dirty, it can block airflow, causing the evaporator coil to freeze and then melt, resulting in a water leak. Finally, a faulty condensate pump can cause water leaks from your mini split system. If the pump is not working correctly, it may not be able to pump water out of the drain pan, causing an overflow. In any case, it's important to address a mini split water leak as soon as possible to prevent any further damage to your home. If you're unsure how to fix the issue yourself, don't hesitate to contact a licensed HVAC professional to assess the situation and provide a solution. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more home maintenance tips.